What is replacing the EU Emissions Trading Scheme, or ETS? A UK ETS will replace the EU ETS. Guidance issued by the government confirms several measures outlined in the Future of UK Carbon Pricing consultation from June 2020. The UK ETS will have a transitional auction reserve price, or ARP, of £22, which establishes a minimum price for which allowances can be sold at auctions. UK ETS auctions are due to commence as soon as is feasible and no later than Q2 2021. The UK ETS will apply to energy-intensive industries, the power generation sector and aviation. The scheme covers activities involving combustion of fuels in installations with a total rated thermal input exceeding 20 megawatts.